Hi, I'm Tanner. We are going to do something cool today. I just recently purchased a GoPro Hero 8 to try to get some cool footage for snowboarding, which I do a lot of. And kind of just basically take everybody journeys that I do and the adventures I have, and do a little commentary on the way, but not too much because that gets boring if you see like a 15 or 16 minute vlog. This is gonna be like condensed down to like 4 minutes, probably 4 or 5 minutes, 3 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes. Yeah. I am currently a full-time student going to Montana State University, and also work a part-time job too at your local Bozeman Safeway. Won't say anything else about that because it could get me fired. It should be good. So for today's first video, we're gonna do a little unboxing of the good old, oh, that's not the box. So here we go. This is, whoops, here we go. Hopefully this is it. Man, I got one more. SanDisk, pretty good stuff. Ooh, funny story. Oops, there we go. This phone, oh, it's over there. Had a SanDisk external, like the memory card like this in it. Lost the phone up snowboarding. Went back and found it in the summertime. Had one of these puppies in there and was able to get all of my memories off of it. And it was like sunk in between like 4 to 6 feet of snow. So I recommend. Let's see this puppy. Yep, there it is. That's yep. Hero 8. Let's take a little gander. Collapsing shit. I don't know, this looks pretty cool. Look at that. Just do a little, I don't know if you can see that. I installed the GoPro app to finish the setup. Said it didn't install. I'll try. Alright, I'll show you guys later.